Hey guys, this is Elaine from Plume Knits, and I wanted to make a video showing off my decrease bind off stitch for the Budgie shawl pattern. So this is the Budgie. If you guys have downloaded it already, great. You may be a little confused by the decrease bind off, so I wanted to demonstrate how to do that today. So the point of the decrease bind off here, instead of just a regular bind off, is to give each of these tips a little bit of shape. So I wanted these to be shaped a little bit like a bird's feather instead of just a point, which was what you'd get if you did just a standard bind off. So the decrease bind off in the Budgie pattern is a non-standard stitch, so you're not going to find it anywhere else on the internet. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. So as you're working through the pattern, row 18 of feather 1 is going to start out with a knit 2 together. So first stitch, we're just going to knit 2 together, just your standard knit 2 together. And the next instruction is to decrease bind off 4 times. So if you skip over to the written instructions, the decrease bind off is you're going to knit the next 2 stitches together, and then you're going to take the second stitch on your right hand needle, pull it over the first stitch as if to bind off, and drop it. So that's your first decrease bind off. So we're going to do this 4 times. So I'm going to do it again, knit 2 together, pull that second stitch over, and drop it. That's 2. And knit the next 2 together, pull the second stitch over as if to bind off, drop it, that's 3. And one more time, knit 2 together, pull that second stitch over, and drop it. That's 4. So your next stitch is going to be a yarn over, and then you're going to knit 12 stitches.